Welcome to the video for the Cleanup Stock feature. The Cleanup Stock button can be found by going to Materials and going to the Stock tab. Right below that, you will see Stock Cleanup button. When you click on the button, you will see a window appear. This feature helps you move materials that have zero or small balances to the gone list. It changes the status of those materials from stock to gone for you, so you don't have to do it manually. Materials that are sold or depleted do not automatically get moved to the gone list, so you will want to run this procedure once or twice each month. This feature moves to gone only those materials where the physical balance of the item is less than or equal to the quantity that you type into the window, and all product lines on which materials are reserved must be job costed or in a delivered status. When the stock cleanup runs, this feature scans through and makes changes throughout the entire stock list for only those materials which have a price unit that matches the units you selected in the cleanup stock window. But it does so for all locations, not just the location selected in the locations menu or the location that you see in the top right of QPro.